California nanny refuses to work. A 64-year-old woman was hired on Craigslist to basically, it was a trade. She'd get room and board for light housekeeping and watching these 3 young children while a mom worked from home. She was starting a business. The woman worked for a few weeks, and then she just stopped and confined herself to her bedroom, only came out when they were eating. So it came out for supper. Family terminated her position following a month of this going on. She refused to move out, threatened to sue the family for wrongful termination and abuse of elderly.
Wow.
Yeah.
She's played this tune before.
She has. Family contacted the police. They said they have to go through the eviction process, which is, I understand, a pretty lengthy deal. Woman claims to have COPD, starts breathing heavily when they ask her to wash the dishes, but yet she somehow manages to go swimming or to museums. Does that quite well.
I get winded at museums myself.
She finally, after a bunch of court battles, said she'll be out by July 4th if it's not too hot outside.
Okay.
I seriously need to pick up this job.
Here's the question. How would you treat the elderly woman if she were in your home?
Man.
1, A, with respect and dignity, because we are to respect our elders, and Jesus said to forgive 70 times 7. 2, put a combination lock on the bathroom doors and only tell the family the code. Or C, 3, I would physically pick her up and remove her from my house and threaten her with violence if she enters my home again.
Okay. I'm not against B, actually. I mean, here's the deal. You can forgive completely, but you're going to be doing that a lot if you keep putting yourself in the exact same position. You know what I'm saying? I think I'd feed her. Absolutely. I think I would put I'm all right with the combination lock on the can. That seems reasonable to me.
She may just go in her room.
That's all right. It's not my room.
Do you just keep her in there for, eternity?
She can come out anytime she wants. Here's the deal. If I was, I think it would almost be, it would make me happier just to continue to feed her and act like she's just now part of the family. But I feel like I don't know that I could convince the rest of my household to go along with that.
No, right. So the barrier here is that is that you're trying to get her out. If you just accept that she's going to live there, your life actually changes much to the positive.
Yeah, your perspective is totally flipped about, and you're like, you know what? We just gained a person.
And there are 3 small children. One's an infant. I mean, they're
She is a shifty wick, though.
Yeah, do you want to have that person in there with your children? I don't know.
I suppose as long as she's not doing heroin or something.
It doesn't seem like she's a detriment to the family.
She's
well,
not doing heroin.
That's a problem. That's where my line is.
Doris, get out here.
Is that smack?
I smell a burning spoon. What is that?
I said no tar in here, and I meant it.
Take your white angel and get out.
I don't even know what you're saying.
It's a brand of toilet paper. Don't worry about it.
Don't bring that cheap toilet paper in there. Charmin only for these cheeks.
Extra soft.
Yeah. So wait, is it an option just to change your attitude towards it?
Yeah.
Is that the A option?
A was pretty much just accept that she's there.
Yeah. Well, that's probably foundational to me. Is I would just accept that she's there and change my attitude about it, and then I don't know, ultimately work our way out of it.
Yeah, I mean, I suppose you'd have to know her well enough to know, that she maybe that's just her game. Like
you did meet her on Craigslist. I mean,
when the
Pretty
reason,
point.
Pretty tight. A month at this point.
yeah.
I mean, I suppose you can't count on her to babysit the children. But
Can you just lock her out when she goes swimming?
Maybe.
She's considered a tenant. That's the problem, because then she can sue.
Oh yeah.
Right.
And obviously she's done this before. Like this is a seasoned pro about getting money out of folks, and so I feel like she's gonna win.
This woman had to quit her new business even because it wasn't working.
Okay, well, yeah, wait. So maybe I'm a combination of solutions. 1, I embrace the fact that she's there and treat her like family. 2, I start the eviction process.
Yeah, okay.
And then I can legally get rid of her once it's time, but it didn't cause me resentful behavior and otherwise a negative attitude while it's going on.
Yeah, that's a win-win.
Yeah.
What's that, Dan?
I'm taking the combo answer.
one and two, A and B. All right.
Is that acceptable?
B.
I guess.
I thought B was lock the bathrooms.
Yeah, B's locked the bathrooms.
Actually, I'm gonna stick with that. Yeah. I was kind of happy with that answer.
I think I'd have a hard time not physically removing her, even though I knew it was
Well,
legally
Dan,
not.
you beefed up that with physical
Yeah,
violence.
exactly. It wasn't just physically remove her.
Yeah,
It was threaten her with physical violence.
She's in my home.
I'm
So,
gonna pick up and put
You're
you
picking
outside.
up Doris, walking her outside, and then
I have
shaking a
children.
fist at her like, why I oughta.
Then I'm gonna throw thumbtacks at you while you're on the road. We went way over the top with it.
I might be cleaning some of my guns and say, "Oh, by the way, some of these go off during the
Elderly
night."
people are not afraid of that.
Yeah.
You could get teenage boys
No,
with that. but
Some
if
of these go off during the night.
No,
Is that what you just
It
said
can,
about the
it can
gun?
happen.
You shall stand up before the gray head and honor the face of an old man, and you shall fear your God. I am the Lord.
Good thing it
Leviticus
said man.
19:32.
Didn't say anything about an old woman.
Solid, Dan.
Bring
Leader
on the
of the law.
restoration movement.
Okay. Last. I don't know if you even know how funny that was.
I don't.